Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring power and media are ready. Charge the battery, insert and format the card so you avoid surprises. Once done, attach and secure your lens and mount the camera on a stable support. This reduces blur and lets you fine-tune settings comfortably. Now set your camera mode to aperture or manual, choose the base ISO for lowest noise, and select an accurate white balance to keep color consistent as you proceed. With your foundation set, dial exposure to match your intent. Pick an aperture that controls depth of field and then set shutter speed to freeze or show motion. Use 1 over the focal length as a quick guard against camera shake. Next, tweak ISO to achieve proper exposure while minimizing noise. For sharp images, choose the right autofocus mode and focus point. When subjects are static or critical, switch to manual focus and confirm with live view or focus magnification. You finish by validating results. Take a test shot and check the histogram and highlight alerts to ensure no clipped detail. If dynamic range is tricky, bracket exposures, or use exposure compensation. Make sure image stabilization is appropriate or turn it off when on a tripod. Once satisfied, lock settings, use a remote or timer for long exposures, and review critical images at full magnification. If things look soft, verify lens.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.